So without the assistance of Glencore, we wouldn't have been able to expand on our services that we have for people with disabilities in the region. Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm the CEO at Witmore Ltd. Witmore is a not-for-profit. We're located in Singleton in the Hunter Valley. We provide supports for around 72 participants here with a disability. The relationship with Glencore in our community is long-standing. Recently, Witmore have been lucky enough to work with Glencore and partner up with them with a community grant. So our community grant has allowed us to have 2 new fleet vehicles to pick clients up, transport them. We've been able to have a commercial kitchen created, which is going to start a whole new social enterprise to employ people with a disability. We're also able to do significant upgrades to our workshop, and we've also been able to purchase new wheelie bins. Places like Glencore make a huge difference to people's lives with disabilities, and from the bottom of my heart and from all the clients, all the staff here at Witmore, we would just like to say a huge thank you for your support and for being able to grow our business and further support other people with a disability in the community. So thank you.